Let me explore with you some of the relevance of Chatgpt to the teaching and learning process. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be exploring some of the benefits and how you can achieve a lot in your classroom or in your school environment with the use of this app called Chatgpt. And definitely this is going to be of help to you. So as I said, this is one of the greatest tools out there, and it is actually a natural language processing. Chatgpt can be used to generate response, and also can be used to make it to create a well-explained conversation with your students. So if you have some students in your classroom, you can easily create a well-explained content, whether you want to create slide, whether you want to create content that you want to print out and you want to give it to your students. Chatgpt can actually get that done for you. And there's some time also, maybe you have your content down, you can easily take the content into Chatgpt, and it is going to rephrase it. Although we have another rephrasing application which I'm still going to talk about, so it's going to rephrase it and make it meaningful and directly, and also achieve the objective. So it is actually a natural language in processing that can easily make sure that whatever you are sending out there is actually highly engaging. And also it can be personalized. Chatgpt can generate personalized response based on your unique characteristics, and also based on the prompt you are actually giving Chatgpt. So it is actually not a human. Anything you tell Chatgpt to do for you, definitely is going to do this. So regardless of your knowledge, sometimes your searching ability can make you understand some of those prompts. You call them prompts. It can also be called keywords. It's some of those keywords you use that will make Chatgpt to give you a lot of response. Adaptability. Chatgpt can actually also respond. It can adapt to who you are. If you are a teacher that is an art teacher, the more you talk about art, the Chatgpt is going to be recording it, that okay, this person is an artist. Look, I'm going to be giving this person more of content that are art-based. If you are a English teacher, Chatgpt is going to adapt to who you are and make your conversation meaningful to your subject matter. And it can also create a lot of interactive lessons. Please note, I'm not making you to be lazy by teaching you all of this. I am only telling you that if you don't adapt to this, definitely your job may be taken from you, because people that actually take the use of AI to be used to enhance their teaching, we are not using it fully. We don't take the content and just use it like that in the classroom. We are going to take the content and make it meaningful to what we do in the classroom. So definitely we are only taking the content and use to aid our content to the classroom. So it can create a lot of interactive lesson for you, and such lesson can be maybe in form of assessment, and also creating to provide real feedback. Yes, to provide real feedback. In this class, I'm going to be obviously teaching you how to create quizzes with the use of Chatgpt. Yes, it is possible. Yeah, I've given it a try, and I observed that it is possible. And it can also be used to support language class, especially English class. Okay, so Chatgpt can actually help you for that. Definitely, I know you can't wait to actually learn that. Collaboration and communication. This is one of the apps that can facilitate communication between your teacher and your student, and it can also be used to enhance collaboration and social learning. So overall, the feature of Chatgpt is actually, let me just put it this way, it's a powerful tool for teaching and learning, and it can provide personalized interaction for effective learning and experience for children. And know that you can't wait for this. In my next video, we are going to move to the right way to ask Chatgpt questions, and I'm sure that you can ready. So watch the next video. Thank you.